So today we're going to talk about batteries. Do you have a lawn tractor, garden tractor, generator, or a winch, or any other 12-volt unit? Here's a hack for you to save money and time. So my trailer has a Traveler winch from Harbor Freight, and I use it occasionally, very occasionally, for carrying, pulling stuff up on the trailer. And of course, it uses a 12-volt battery that rarely gets used. So I have this lawnmower battery that I have a connector put on. You can see that. And this connector put on it. Universal high power connector. And I use this battery for everything. So I don't have a battery for the winch, a separate battery for the lawnmower, a separate battery for the generator, a separate battery for the tractor. I just use the same battery and put it in whatever I'm using at the time. So I got a 12 pack of these connectors from Amazon, very inexpensively. Solder connections. They only go together one way. And I have a winch when I need it. And I don't waste another battery. For my tractor, same connection, battery tray. Slip it in there and hook it up. With a lawn tractor, I have the connections, same connection right here. Generator has a plug on the back side. So I have another connector for this to a trickle charger, and when I'm not using a battery, it's in the garage charging. So I always have a good battery. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got more to come.